The Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio smart key fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is the CR2032 battery you'll need for replacement. To replace it, gently pry open the fob using a flathead screwdriver or the key blade itself. Insert it into the provided slot and twist gently. Be careful not to damage the plastic clips holding the fob together. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the polarity plus side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the plus side facing up. Ensure the battery sits flush in its compartment. The battery is in a sealed compartment to prevent moisture damage. Carefully reassemble the fob, ensuring the plastic clips snap back together securely. Some models may have screws instead of clips. If so, tighten them appropriately, but not over-tighten. After replacing the battery, the fob may need to be resynced with your Alfa Romeo. This can often be done by accessing the car's key programming menu in the infotainment system or cycling the ignition multiple times. If the fob doesn't immediately work, consult your owner's manual for specific resyncing instructions or seek assistance from an Alfa Romeo dealer.